All right, lesson 6, time check, 6:36 p.m., moving right along swimmingly. Okay, so lesson 6, what is my unique perspective on this topic? Also known as maybe, what's your unique selling position? All right, so we'll explore that. Now, obviously, you don't want to be like everyone else. Oh, I'm selling weight loss, eat less, exercise more. Duh, we hear that. Engage on X, write value content. Okay, we get it, okay? Saying the same thing over and over and over again, but like, what makes you different? Same thing, this also goes back to the riches and the niches. What specific wedge are you carving out, and what is your unique perspective in that niche that allow you to separate and provide the results for your prospects, okay? So what is a USP? Your unique selling proposition is what sets your course apart from others in the market. It's a unique angle or perspective that makes your course special and valuable. Helps you attract your ideal students by clearly differentiating your course, adds value and uniqueness to your offering, making it more compelling. For example, I'll use this exact course as an example. How to build your first online course in 24 hours or less. That is unique. It's not how to build a course. It's not how to build a course online. It's how to build your first course online in less than 24 hours. See what I mean? Narrow it down. What is your unique spin? And during this course, I'm giving you my unique streamlined process. Am I saying set up an unbelievable production and have, scripts written by expert copywriters and, video and voiceovers and sounds and effects? No, that is not my angle. My angle is speed, efficiency, reps, give the value, riff off of it, and go from there. Because guess what? It's our first course online in less than 24 hours, all right? If we were taking a week or a month, it would be different, okay? But for this works. So here's an example other than mine, all right? So the course is yoga for office workers, all right? And their unique selling proposition is, unlike other yoga courses, this program focuses on quick, office-friendly yoga routines designed to be done at your desk, which is perfect for busy professionals. See how you can say, oh, that's for me. The right person will know that's exactly for them. You can do the same thing with your course. If you know your exact avatar, you filled out the qualification quadrant, and you got inside their head, and you know the problems that keep them up at night. Here, this yoga class, we're like, oh, I'm a busy professional. I know I should be stretching more. I know I should be working out more. I know I should, be taking care of myself and my wellness, but I just don't have the time. Here is the fix. It's perfect for them. That is a course for them. Okay?